control on this bike. I was never super good at it with the ZX6, so still learning. But fuck, holding it at balance is easy as fuck on this bike in comparison. But this thing engine brakes really hard and I wasn't far enough back, so it comes down pretty fast. Man, this thing sounds so good. Alright, let's do some first gear stuff. Fucking sick. I love everything about it so far. Literally no complaints. Alright, first gear starting at 9-10 miles an hour. Try and keep it slow. Beginning there I was. Off the bars a little bit still. My wrists are getting sore. Let's go back to second gear for a minute. Getting real sore. Might be time to call it already. It is pretty early in the day though. I'll probably come out again later. You might have noticed I took off my little windscreen thing. didn't like the look of it, so had to go. All right. Can't see nothing back here. That I can actually hold balance point on now. That's pretty freaking sweet. I'm gonna start putting some money into this thing. Got some mods coming already. Right now it's got an RSC 2-finger lever on it, and I don't like the 2 fingers. I already bought the replacement actual lever part, the 1-finger version now. So I got that coming. I do have an Impact Tech cage for this bike. But I don't have the hardware, so I got the hardware ordered. That is coming also. I'm not a fan of this sub cage. I'll probably be getting an FMS sub cage, but that might take a while because they're fucking expensive. Oh man, this thing sounds so good. Yeah, so I got probably gonna have another sub cage, and it's the one with the scrape bar. It's kind of a combo deal. So we're gonna get that coming hopefully soon, and fuck, this thing will be about good to go. Then I need to start thinking about handbrake stuff. I'll probably get the bracket ordered pretty soon because I found one for cheap. Yeah, then we can start doing stand-up stuff on a big bike. That's exciting. Pick it up in third here.